Hello aspirants, how are you? This is your GKGS mentor Ashish Kumar Singh in front of you, and I am today again with a very important session, students. And in this session, we are going to see that should we prepare for RBI Grade B phase 1 and phase 2 simultaneously or differently. बहुत सारे लोगों के मन में ये confusion रहता है that whether we should be preparing it simultaneously or differently. I'll be clearing all your doubts. So stay till last, watch the entire session, get yourself doubts clear and start preparing in a more concise, crisp and strategical manner. Okay, so बने रहना लास्ट तक, देख के जाना, समझ के जाना कि कैसे क्या करना है, so that your time can be saved and your efforts can be converted from hard to smart efforts. Okay, or rather I would say smart to hard to smart work. Okay, so let's get started. And before starting I would like all of you to see the syllabus of phase 1 and phase 2. सबसे पहले हम लोग syllabus देखेंगे, right? So when it comes to phase 1, 80 marks का क्वेश्चन आता है जीए में, 25 मिनट में सॉल्व करना होता है. इंग्लिश 30 marks 25 मिनट, क्वांट 30 marks 25 मिनट, रीजनिंग 60 marks 45 minutes. What we can see from this fact is that in 2 hours you have to solve the questions of 200 marks. Okay, so what do you need here to solve the questions, especially the questions of GA and रीजनिंग. जीए और रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए व्हाट यू नीड इज स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी. स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी काफी अच्छा होना चाहिए. अलॉन्ग विथ जीए एंड रीजनिंग, इवन क्वांट के और इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चंस को भी सॉल्व करने के लिए, in order to solve the questions of quant and English also, what you need is speed and accuracy in phase 1. So when we talk about phase 1, what should be given priority is speed and accuracy. Correct? अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, phase 2 की तरफ आते हैं. This is the syllabus of phase 2. Herein you can say that there are 3 papers, right? Paper 1 में क्या है? In paper 1 we have economic and social issues. Okay, that is ESI. Now 50% of this paper is objective and 50% of this paper is subjective. Okay, so 30 objective questions आते हैं, right? और बाकी subjective या descriptive आते हैं. When we talk about paper 2, it is about English. और English में क्या आता है? Descriptive writing आता है, general descriptive writing आता है, letter writing and so on and so forth. Right? Now, when we talk about the third paper, that is general finance and management, यहाँ पे भी 50% of the questions do come in the objective format and 50% of the questions do come in the subjective format. So if we decode the entire paper of phase 2, what we can see that in two paper 50% question is objective. 50% क्वेश्चन जो होता है वो होता है objective. Just keep that thing in mind, and by keeping that thing in mind, let us proceed further and let us get more clarity. See, when we talk about GE of phase 1 and ESI of phase 2, this is GE of phase 1, this Balak, and this Balak is ESI of phase 2. They are best friends. Why I am quoting them and saying that they are best friends? ये दोनों best friends क्यों हैं? Why they are best friends? Because see, they are overlapping. Overlap होता है. अगर तुम इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल इश्यूज को ब्रेक करोगे, then you will find economy and social issues as its syllabus, right? And economy and social issues are part of GA. We have seen it, we have known it, and along with that, I have always told you that it is high time that you should be preparing GA not only from the fact of remembering the factual things. Along with that, you need to see the things from the analytical perspective. Okay, and that is what we do at our 8 a.m. session. 8 बजे वाले सेशन में we see the things not only from the perspective of facts but also from the perspective of analysis, right? So kahin na kahin you can say that you are being prepared for the mains also, or for that matter you can say that you are being prepared for the phase 2 also by writing the answers. Answer writing भी हम लोग follow करते हैं. We get in depth, we see the facts. Okay, अब in depth जाने का दो फायदा होता है. Firstly, you become analytical, and secondly, कि जो मॉक्स में एमसीक्यूज में भी जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, sorry, not in mocks but in MCQs, whatsoever question comes, they are ऑफ ग्रेट डेप्थ. ओके, सो ये डेप्थनेस क्या करता है, दैट डेप्थनेस हेल्प अस टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर जीए एंड ईएसआई फॉर फेज वन एंड फेज टू. तो इन टोटल अगर तुम सात दोनों पेपर को मिलाते हो, so there are 7 papers. Now supposingly suppose that you have started preparation for one GA subject, and as we know कि 0.5, at least 0.5 तो ऑब्जेक्टिव पूछता है ESI में, that is 50% of the paper. So we need to do what, we have subtracted 7 from 1.5, बचा कितना 5.5 पेपर का प्रिपरेशन. ओके, सो GA से GA and ESI can go hand in hand, just like India and China follows an exercise known as hand in hand. So GA and ESI can go hand in hand. सबसे पहली बात, the first clarity that I need to give you, the cost benefit calculation has started, and we have seen the first clarity that yes, GA or ESI can go hand in hand. If you do it very diligently, I can guarantee you कि 0.5 छोड़ो, whole ESI paper can be covered. Whole ESI paper can be covered and whole GA paper can be covered. So rather I would say phase 2 का paper 1 is sorted and clear, and phase 1 का भी subject number 1 is sorted and clear. Okay, but चलो subtract 1.5 now. Okay, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, इंग्लिश पे आते हैं. In phase 1 also there is a subject known as English. In phase 2 also there is a subject known as English. And as I have already told you कि detail in depth question पूछे जाते हैं. The questions are asked in detail and they are in depth. So after learning and reading English in depth, you will already be ready for the descriptive writing or phase 2. Why? Because if you are seeing the editorial, if you are learning about the editorials, it is quite possible that your mindset will become in such a format that you will be writing the editorials or writing editorial type of words or even the sentences in your letter writing or precise writing, जो भी पूछता है RBI में, whatsoever is asking RBI. So I can say that English is fun, and hence you should be preparing for the English segment also together, right? So पहले 5.5 पेपर था. Now let us subtract this, and now the number of paper left that you need to prepare separately is 3 or 3.5. Okay, so what is the second conclusion, that okay, English can be done together, and the first conclusion, that is GA and ESI can be done together. It will benefit you, it will increase your depthness of preparation, and in some way I can say that you will be an edge forward when we compare it from the other students. Okay, अब आते हैं आगे. देखो, आरबीआई को अब जो हम लोगों ने डिवाइड किया है, दैट इज वी हैव डिवाइडेड इनटू जीए एंड ईएसआई. इंग्लिश क्वांट का सेपरेट प्रिपरेशन चाहिए, रीजनिंग का सेपरेट प्रिपरेशन चाहिए, और फाइनेंस का सेपरेट प्रिपरेशन चाहिए. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू ब्रेक योर डे इनटू 5 particular slots, wherein in one slot GASI, one slot English, one slot quant, one slot reasoning, and one slot finance should be taken care of. Okay, अब GA और ESI और English को more time दो, ज़्यादा time दो. Why? Because we are preparing GA and English from the perspective of phase 1 also and phase 2 also, but at the same time you need to give equal time to quant, reasoning and finance, especially to reasoning and finance. Why? Because उनका weightage ज़्यादा है and they are asked. So just try to divide your day into 5 particular units, या फिर in accordance with the strategy that you follow, just try to divide your subjects into 5 particular subjects. GA और ESI को in depth में देखो. in depth analysis के लिए 8 बजे आ जाना. 8 AM daily current affairs we do, special sessions we do, in depth we see the things, and in depth we also become ready for the RBI Grade B preparation. And along with that, quant, reasoning और finance के भी क्लासेस अब स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. बहुत ही नोन पर्सन्स, नोन फैकल्टीज क्लासेस ले रहे हैं. यू कैन गो एंड वॉच द सेशंस ऑफ फाइनेंस क्लासेस बाय सूरज सर एंड प्रद्युमन सर. रीजनिंग क्लासेस भी लिए जा रहे हैं. संजय सर इज टेकिंग रीजनिंग क्लासेस. यशराज सर द वेटरन इज टेकिंग द क्वांट क्लासेस. सो यू कैन गो एंड वॉच दोस ऑल्सो. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द राइट टाइम. दिसंबर इज द राइट टाइम टू स्टार्ट. देखो, देर इज नो राइट टाइम टू स्टार्ट. ओके, मतलब अगर ऐसे वी टॉक अबाउट, people are there who have cleared RBI in 3 months, are only for who have prepared for 3 months and who have cleared it, and there are people who have also not cleared it even after preparing it for 3 years. दैट द डिफरेंस इज द स्ट्रेटेजिक डिफरेंस, स्ट्रेटेजी में डिफरेंस होना चाहिए। एंड दैट इज व्हाई देयर वर मेनी डाउट्स दैट वर कमिंग इन द माइंड्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स कि क्या साथ में प्रिपेयर करें या डिफरेंट प्रिपेयर करें। आई होप आई हैव मेड माई सेल्फ क्लियर, दैट इज एटलीस्ट दिस पेपर एंड दिस पेपर नीड्स टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ टुगेदर। तो ये तो 4 पेपर ऐसे ही हो गए, फिर ये बचता है 3 पेपर। रेदर इफ वी विड्स फॉर मतलब अगर और ज्यादा डिकोड करो, सो लेट अस मेक इट 3.5 3.5 पेपर, राइट? क्योंकि भैया you will say that sir in ESI descriptive writing is also there, but I would say कि descriptive writing का भी answer writing we can manage, we can balance. How we can balance it by learning in depth. But चलो 3.5 here and 3.5 here, equal time दो, just give equal time, devote equal time, start your preparation in such format only, and this is my personal guarantee that within that time frame you will be able to clear GA, ESI, English, quant, reasoning and finance. So this was all in the session. Thank you very much for being in the session. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our session, and come to our daily 8 a.m. session. Along with that, Lakshmi ma'am ka PIB ka 7 p.m. ka session. Along with that, finance, quant, reasoning और English के भी session में आना, देखना, समझना, जानना, पढ़ना। Time है, if we are together, we are united, we will clear this particular examination, and that is also our personal commitment or my personal commitment to all of you. Okay, so मिलते हैं फिर in other sessions. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you and जय हिंद।